Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix a driver cannot load in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that we need to do is we need to open our File Explorer. The moment you have opened it, proceed to your local disk where you can see a bunch of folders. Proceed to Windows, double tap to continue, and here you need to scroll down and go with System32. Once you have find it, double tap again to proceed. And here you need to look for drivers. Just have to scroll down and be keen on locating it since there are a lot of the files here. Okay. So now it's here next to down level in my case. Double tap it. And here you need to scroll down and look for ene.sys. Again, it is ene.sys. Okay, so I can see it's here. Just click it. Okay, and try to add an extension which is .old. Click anywhere and then give the permission. Click on continue, and when your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed on yes, so that you will be able to complete your action. Once done, close this window and check if your problem has been fixed. And that's if it doesn't, then let's move on to our second step where at the start icon we need to do a right click, scroll up and go with settings. Okay, so once you have successfully opened your settings, proceed to Windows Update. And here you need to proceed to Advanced Options. Click on it. And you need to scroll down and look for Optional Updates. Click on it. And here you need to select this driver updates, okay? And you can also go with this Windows update. Just click on download and install and finish the process. This will take some time, but it will definitely be worth it because this will definitely fix the problem. Okay? Just have to restart your computer and there you have that. Okay? So the next step that I could recommend you is at the start icon again, do a right click and go with settings again. Once you have successfully opened the settings, directly proceed to privacy and security. And there under the security, you can see the very first option, which is Windows security. Click on it. And here under the protection areas, proceed to device security, which is next to app and browser control. Click on it. Okay, so once you're being redirected here, you can see there are three options. Proceed to the first, which is core isolation. Under that, you can see there core isolation details. Click on it to proceed, and there you can see memory integrity. Just turn it off, okay, and click on yes when your user account control will ask you to say yes. Close this window, okay, and you need to restart your computer. So once you have restarted your computer, there you have that you will be able to fix your problem. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.